Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Python on your Windows machine, so let's get started. The installation procedure involves downloading the official python.x installer and running it on your system. The version you need depends on what you want to do in Python. For example, if you are working on a project coded in Python version 2.6, you probably need that version. If you are starting a project from scratch, you have the freedom to choose. If you are learning to code in Python, we recommend you download both the latest version of Python 2 and 3. Working with Python 2 enables you to work on older projects or test new projects for backward compatibility. Download the Python for your PC from the link on description. Next we need to install Python IDE for running. Here I'm using Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio Code link on description. Open the download file to install Python. Make sure you select the install launcher for all users and add Python 3.7 to path checkboxes. The latter places the interpreter in the execution path. For older versions of Python that do not support the Add Python to Path checkbox, next we need to install Visual Studio Code. Open up the downloaded file to install. We have successfully installed Python on our Windows machine. Check the application by running some basic Python code. The sample program successfully executed.